Welcome to Traders Work, where we would talk about what is Forex trading, who are the players in Forex, how to start trading, what is pips, what is a lot size, how to buy and sell, what is leverage, what is margin, how to calculate profit and loss. Forex is a decentralized global market where all the world's currencies trade or exchange. In other words, it's buying and selling currencies. Forex is traded online with a network of banks, financial institutions, traders using brokerages 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. Forex trading has 5 trillion trading volume per day. Unlike cryptocurrency, it has around 1.6 billion per day, and stocks only has 22 billion per day. As you can see on my screen, I'm using MetaTrader 5. On the left side, the currencies are visible. So basically, we buy and sell currencies to make a profit. How to start trading in Forex? First off, we need a broker. The broker will give us access to the market and will provide us with trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 or 5 and CTrader. On the screen, I'm using MT5. We have three types of brokerages. First one is STP, straight through processing. Second is ECN, or Electronic Centralized Network. And lastly, market maker, better known as MM. But nowadays, there's a hybrid available, which is a combination of all these three. Click on the links below, as we have brokerage recommendations that we already tested and still are using. When you register and trade using our links, automatically you get free access on our trading and live trading education with signals. Once registered, validate your account by uploading a government ID or utility bills.
To trade Forex, we need to understand that we are buying and selling the currency of the economy. So on this example, I'm going to show you how to buy and how to sell. We buy if the base currency price will go up. We sell if the base currency price will go down. To make profit, we calculate the pips. If we sell, the pips must go down, or the price. If we buy, the price or pips must go up, so we can make profit. This pips has value, and we call it lot size. The standard lot size, or equivalent to one lot, is 10 US dollar per pips. You can also buy for 10 cents to $1. The difference between buy and sell, or bid and ask, is what we call it spread. These are the commission of the broker. Leverage means the ability to use something small to control something big. Basically, we can multiply our account or capital. Margin is what we need to open and buy and sell, or to open a trade. On this example, we will buy GBP US dollar for 0.1 lot, or $1 per pips. You will see this trade here under terminal. We have other tutorial about how to use MT4 or MT5.